we're following developing news right now. In less than an hour, President Trump will announce his pick for the next Supreme Court justice.
As we have been reporting, federal judge Neil Gorsuch from Colorado tops the list. Denver 7's Mark Stewart's live downtown now. And Mark, I know you've been talking to people who know him, trying to get a picture of where Justice Gorsuch stands.
And Ann, with that announcement just about 1 hour away, as you can imagine, there was a lot of intrigue here at the federal courthouse. If Neil Gorsuch gets the nomination, if he is successful, he certainly could be looking at issues very relevant to the people of Colorado, from the environment to the Second Amendment. Talking to people from across the state today, conservatives like him, they respect him. Liberals, though, are a bit hesitant, especially after listening to comments from President Trump.
We turn to the law earnestly to promote a worthy idea.
Just who is Neil Gorsuch? The Colorado native is a Harvard Law School grad, also studying at Columbia and Oxford. His mother, Ann Gorsuch, was a former Colorado lawmaker and the head of the EPA. He also served as a Supreme Court clerk for Justice Byron White, who was also from Colorado.
Almost always it's somebody from the East or somebody from the West that goes on to the Supreme Court. So I think it's just a really great honor for Colorado and for the nation for Judge Gorsuch to be in the consideration.
Many lawyers in our state feel Gorsuch will better understand Colorado-specific issues facing the court, like water rights. Those who know his work point out he looks at the Constitution pretty much word for word.
I think he really cares about the judicial system, and he doesn't want to start legislating. He wants to really do the job that is before him.
As conservatives share excitement, some in Colorado have reservations.
The justices that I'm going to appoint will be pro-life. They will have a conservative bent.
Gorsuch has never written about Roe versus Wade specifically, but he has said companies shouldn't be forced to pay for birth control under employee health plans.
We're going to make sure that our folks are lifting up their voices, calling, talking to the senators, asking them to ask a lot of questions during confirmation hearings, and to really to raise a fuss.
At 49 years old, Neil Gorsuch is the youngest Supreme Court nominee in about 25 years. If he gets the nomination, if he is confirmed, he could certainly hold that job for decades. Again, the announcement expected at the top of the hour at 6 o'clock. We will carry it live. For now, live in downtown Denver, Mark Stewart, Denver 7.
An important